Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to download games on your Lenovo laptop using the Microsoft Store. First, click the Start button on your taskbar, then open the Microsoft Store. If you're using the Microsoft Store for the first time, you'll need to sign in with your Microsoft account. After signing in, click on Games. Here, you will see many options of games. If you want to search the game, then click on Search Bar. Type the name of the game you want to download. For example, you can search for Candy Crush Soda Saga or any other game available in the store. Select the game from the search results to open its download page. On the Games page, you'll see information such as screenshots, ratings, reviews, the game's size, and the minimum system requirements. Before installing, make sure your Lenovo laptop meets the game's requirements. If the game is free, click the Get or Install button. The game will now start downloading and installing automatically. Once the installation is complete, the Install button will change to Play. Click Play to launch the game immediately. You can also open the game later by clicking the Start menu and selecting the game from your installed apps. And that's how you download games on a Lenovo laptop using the Microsoft Store. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Lenovo laptop tutorials.